Everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video here, I'm going to show you how to format cells and data in Microsoft 365 Excel. By default, all cells in Microsoft Excel worksheets are formatted with the general format, with the default formatting, and the thing you put or input into a cell is usually left as is and displayed as type. In some cases, Excel may not display the cell value exactly as you've entered it, though the cell format is left as general. Now in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can format cells in your Excel worksheets. So whenever you want to modify the appearance of a number or date, display cell borders, change text alignment and orientation, or make any other formatting changes, the Format Cells dialog is the main feature to use. And because it is the most used feature to format cells in Excel, Microsoft has made it accessible in a variety of ways. So I'll be showing you the 4 ways on how you can open the Format Cells dialog. So to change formatting of a certain cell or block of cell, you need to select the cell you wish to format. First up, you can press Ctrl 1 to your keyboard and open up the Format Cells. Next up here, just need to select the cell right here on your data, and then you can basically right click, and then you will find the option here which says Format Cells. Or you can basically press Shift plus F10 on your keyboard to open up this option. Shift plus F10, and then you can basically select the Format Cells from the pop-up menu. Now the third one here is by clicking the dialog box launcher at the top, and then arrow at the bottom right corner of the number, alignment or font group to open the corresponding tab of the Format Cells dialog. So just click on the icon, which is the arrow icon, and then here you will find the Format Cells dialog. Now other way here is by going to Home tab right here, as you can see, and then at the very right side you will find an option which says Format. And if we're going to click on this one, at the very bottom you'll find Format Cells. So there you have it, you can basically open the Format Cells. So this dialog will show up and you can start formatting the selected cells by using various options on any of the 6 tabs. Now in this case, I'm going to open the Format Cells dialog and to show how you can use that or some data that you can basically use on your data here on Excel. So here you have it, we have the Format Cells dialog. So as you can see here, we have basically six tabs that provide different formatting options for the selected cells. We have number, alignment, font, border, fill, and protection. Use this tab to apply the desired format in terms of number, date, currency, time, percentage, fraction, scientific notation, accounting number format, or text. The available formatting options vary depending on the selected category. So first, we're going to talk about Excel number format. For numbers, you can change the following options: how many decimal places to display, or you can basically show or hide the thousand separator. And here you can basically select specific format for negative numbers. So by default, the Excel number format aligns values right in cells. Now beside the number option, we have also here like the currency and accounting formats. Now the currency format lets you configure the following 3 points: the number of decimal places to display, the currency symbol to use, and the format to apply to negative numbers. The Excel accounting format provides only the first 2 of the above options. Negative numbers are always displayed in parentheses. Both currency and accounting formats are used to display monetary values. The difference is as follows: the Excel currency format places the currency symbol immediately before the first digit in the cell. The Excel accounting number format aligns the currency symbol on the left and the values on the right, zeros as displayed as dashes. So here, as you can see on your screen. Now another format here is the date and time format. So Microsoft Excel provides a variety of predefined date and time formats for different locales. Now another Excel format is the percentage format. The percentage format displays the cell value with a percent symbol. The only option that you can change is the number of decimal places. So to quick apply the percentage format with no decimal places, use the Control plus Shift plus percentage icon shortcut. Next one here we have the fraction format. These fraction formats lets you choose from a variety of the built-in fraction styles. Now next, we have the scientific format. Scientific format, also referred to as standard or standard index form, is a compact way to display very large or very small numbers, but is commonly used by mathematicians, engineers, and scientists. So when using the scientific notation format in Excel, the only options that you can set is the number of decimal places. Next up, we have the Excel text format. When a cell is formatted as text, Excel will treat the cell value as a text string, even if you put or input a number or date. By default, the Excel text format aligns values left in the cell. When applying the text format to selected cells via the Format Cells dialog window, there is no option to be changed. Please keep in mind that the Excel text format applied to numbers or dates prevents them from being used in Excel functions and calculations. So numerical values formatted as text force a little green triangle to appear in the top left corner of the cells, indicating that something might be wrong with the cell format. And if you're seemingly correct, Excel formula is not working or returning a wrong result. One of the first things to check is numbers formatted as text. To fix text numbers, setting the cell format to general or number is not sufficient. The easiest way to convert text to number is select the problematic cell, click the warning sign that appears, and then click Convert to Number in the pop-up menu. Now we're going to the next, which is the special format. Special format lets you display numbers in the format customary for the zip codes, phone numbers, and social security numbers. Now here finally, we have the custom format. If none of the inbuilt format display the data the way you want, you can create your own format for numbers, dates, and times. You can do this either by modifying one of the predefined formats close to your desired result, or by using the formatting symbols in your own combinations. So you can use this formatting and data on your Microsoft Excel. So that's it. That's how you basically use these features on your Microsoft Excel. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next one.